Hey Adam, how you doing?
Pretty good. I improved a lot, and for my study skills, I first did the problem, and then once I did it, I went back to the solution key, and then I looked over it, and then I tried the problem again. If I didn't get the problem, then I would look back at it over and over again until I got it into my head.
You mean you watched it on YouTube,
Yes.
but you clicked and paused it, tried it yourself, and then went back over by clicking on it and then watching it again?
Yes.
Good stuff. Well, you had great success. I mean, what do you want to tell us your grade on this test?
85%.
Awesome, and that's fantastic. Give him a hand, everybody. Good. Okay, Adam, you've been saved. You can walk again. Go ahead.
Okay. So
What page are we on?
we're on page 116, number 23, 26, and 24. And what basically you want to solve for n or whatever variable you're given. And how you do that is by doing the inverse. Like, okay, so with number 20, opposite, yeah. So, so you have this subtraction sign or negative sign, so you add the opposite. All right, now what is 4 plus 0.6 equal? Cairo.
4.6.
Oh, I'm so
Such a bad teacher, Lex.
Okay, anyway, number 24. Number 24, what would you do, Allie?
You would subtract 3.2.
Yes, you would. All right. Now, Emily, what would this equal?
3.8.
All right. And if we wanted to check our answer, what would you do?
Put 3.8 in as x.
And what is this equal, Allie?
7.0.
Very good. All right. Now, number 26. What would you
Hello,
do?
world. Okay. We're doing chapter 3, solving equations, page 127. And I'm Miss Cooley. Let's get down to work. Okay, number 23. It's negative 7y minus 8y equals negative 15. Okay, what are we gonna do? Emily.
You go to negative 7, and then since it's a subtraction sign, you have to keep going. So your answer would be negative 15y.
So we're gonna do the opposite and add the both of the negatives, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to change that to a adding sign and make that a negative, and that becomes negative 15y over what, Cairo?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. And what's is this dividing or multiplying?
Dividing, multiplying.
That's okay. And what's on this side? Kia.
15 over 15.
Is it 15 or is it negative 15?
Negative 15 over negative 15.
Okay. Excuse me. Okay, and then what are we going to do, Caroline?
Well, wouldn't the negative 15s cancel out?
Yes, they would. And they would be 1. Why?
Uh-huh.
Instead of negative 1, why would it be 1?
Because there's an invisible one always. And, yeah.
Okay. And what about the other side? Desi? Desi, what about the other side?
Cancel?
What does it become?
Negative, wait, this one.
Right. Okay. And then you take everything and you shift it over, so it's going to be 1y.
Or y equals 1.
Right?
Y equals 1.
Y equals 1.
Y equals 1.
Y equals 1.
We got to do this.
Yay!
Give her a hand. Give her a hand.
Hi, world. Okay. So for number 32 on page 127, you have your problem 2 parentheses 3 plus 4n close parentheses minus 9, which equals 45. And you're going to distribute the 2, yeah, you're going to distribute. So 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 times 4n, which equals 8n. And then you're going to, do I do that?
No.
No parentheses?
No parentheses. Because the whole point of distributing is you get rid of the parentheses.
Okay.
And
then
minus 9.
minus 9, which equals 45.
Good.
And then you're going to collect like terms and do 6 minus 9.
Yeah, write it down. 6 minus 9 plus 8m equals 45.
And then after that, can everybody see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then after that, you have 6 minus 9, which is going to give you -3, because it's just like you having originally $9 and then taking away 6, so it's going to give you -$3, for example. So -3 plus 8n equals 45. Mr. Davis is about to go to the other thing.
That looks good.
Okay. Then you're going to.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, go ahead.
Add 3. Add both sides.
Which side?
So do -3 plus 3 and 45 plus 3.
And what are you going to do after that?
It equals 48, and then you divide 8m.
Should I do it over here, Mr. Day? Because it's like.
Yeah.
Okay, then you take 8m equals 48, and you divide 8m into 8m, and then 48 into 8m, which would be 6.
Very good.
Okay,
So,
it equals 6. M equals 6.
okay.
Do again, Nay.
Yes.
Cool.
That's your A for the day.
Yeah!
Good job. Give her a hand. Give everybody a hand. All right.
Yeah.
So basically you're going to write 1 over 3x plus, and then you're going to distribute the 2 to the 1/3 x and the 5. So it's 2 over 3x plus 10 equals 12. And then you're going to add these two, so it's x plus 10 equals 12. You're going to do the inverse, and so it's x equals 2.
Good. Now, the only thing is you might question is, how did you get 1/3 x plus 2/3 x equal to x?
Because it would be 3 over 3, so it's 1.
Right. When you add fractions with the same denominator, all you do is add the tops, and you get 1 plus 2 over 3, which is 3 over 3x, which is equal 1x. Hey, that was pretty quick, easy, sweet, good, good. Give her a hand. Charlie Fiscam.
Alright, so first with this problem you would do the opposite because 3, it's basically saying 3 times x. So the opposite of multiplying is, opposite of dividing is multiplying, so that'd be, that's going to be Does everyone understand that?
Yeah. Give me a hand.
Okay, so you put in the imaginary 1 right here. 100 equals 1. And then you do the inverse operation. So you divide and you get x equals, anyone? Charlie?
No.
What, Charlie? What's the answer?
1.
No.
I was writing the problem down.
I know.
-100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, Katrina. X equals -100. That's it.
Good job.